Okay. Sorry, I don't talk in a blue voice. I don't know what you expected me to do.
Well, no!
I taught one. I can do.
Golden brown, texture like sun, lays me down. With my mind she runs throughout the night. No need to fight, never a frown with golden brown. Every time, just like the last,